So do you want to also tell everyone, the listeners, how did the call with Kunal Shah go?
Yeah, he's my friend now.
Oh, wow.
Very good friend of mine. Yeah.
So do you learn a lot of things from him?
Yeah, he's a
kind of
numbers
a
guy.
mentor to you.
We are like almost opposite. He's a numbers guy,
Mm.
and I'm like emotions guy. So we are a very good complement to each other.
Amazing, amazing. So we've got two, right? Your first priority needs to be your health. Second priority for you and your learning is your relationships.
People.
People,
about
with
people.
people, right? Now, what are your two suggestions for two different audiences? One is the entrepreneurs or businessmen, and second is the employees or the working professionals
Mm-hmm.
that you've got from reading different books.
Mm-hmm. For entrepreneurs, I think for me, the funniest definition of entrepreneur is jumping off the plane, is like 20,000 feet above, okay? And then learning how to open the parachute. Crazy, irrational, no logic. But that's how entrepreneurship is.
Yeah.
It's risky. 8 out of 10 startups fail.
Yeah.
और जो 2 चलते हैं ना, वो चलते नहीं, वो उड़ते हैं.
8 out of 10 startups के parachute नहीं खुलते.
Right. So of course parents will not support. कौन सा parent support करेगा?
Correct.
So you have to prove, you have to, best way to say shut up to the world is to produce results.
That's it.
Yeah. For employees,
Or any kind of working professionals.
Yeah. See, हर बॉस को ना एक लाइन तरसता है वो सुनने के लिए अपने एम्प्लॉय से कि सर आई वांट टू टेक मोर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज. कोई नहीं बोलते. सुना कभी? ऐसा चाहिए ना अपन तुमको. अरे ये बंदा अगर बोला ना, मतलब वो एक दिन हमारा पार्टनर बन जाएगा. राइट. इनिशिएटिव. आजकल द मोस्ट कॉमन कंप्लेंट व्हेन आई गो टू कॉर्पोरेट्स फॉर टॉक्स ना, द मोस्ट कॉमन कंप्लेंट इज हमारे एम्प्लॉयज ना इनिशिएटिव नहीं लेते
हैं.
बस आके चेक मार्क करके घर जा रहे हैं 6 बजे तो घड़ी देखते हैं. मतलब गलती तुम्हारी है. इट्स अ लीडरशिप प्रॉब्लम. इट्स नॉट देयर प्रॉब्लम. तुम रोज का टू डू लिस्ट लेके बैठते हो.
आज का टास्क दिखाओ.
हाँ. टॉक अबाउट योर व्हाई एवरी डे. टू डू लिस्ट विल बी टेकन केयर ऑफ बाय देम. यू आर नॉट रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द टू डू लिस्ट. यू आर टू शो देम द ड्रीम कि आई वॉन्ट टू मेक इंडिया रीड. तो परसों जब 4 दिन मेरा कलीग लेट आ रहा था, तो टिपिक्स मैंने बोला नहीं क्या है अभी बायोमेट्रिक शुरू करूंगा मैं, तू लेट आता है. नो, आई आस्क्ड हिम जेन्युइनली
क्यों लेट आ रहा है
कि क्या इशू है. देखा अम्मी थोड़ा डब्बा लेट बना रही है आजकल. ओके, अम्मी से बोलो
लेट बना रही है
या कि हम यहाँ पे ना कुछ बैंकिंग का ये फीड नहीं कर रहे टू मेक इंडिया रीड. उससे हमारा भारत विकसित भारत होने का चांसेस है.
करेक्ट.
दूसरे दिन से वो बिफोर टाइम. सो गो एंड अंडरस्टैंड द प्रॉब्लम व्हाई ही इज कमिंग लेट. डोंट जस्ट बिकॉज हम भी तो कहीं ना कहीं लेट गए थे ना कभी ना.
एब्सोल्युटली. कहीं ना कहीं हमसे भी कोई गलतियां हुई हैं, एंड आई थिंक एक्सेप्टिंग दैट एंड being human to people is more important.
Ego is the enemy. That's a book.
I think I have a lot of takeaways from today. If I want to summarize 4 to 5 different revelations and क्या कहते हैं, shattered your thoughts, your beliefs that you have since a long time. Those have been shattered.
Give that summary to me, I'll put it on booklet.
For sure. I don't know how do I summarize, because the inner me is right now feeling very different when we are discussing this.
So nice of you.
Discussing your journey, discussing the learnings that you've had. I don't know where do I start, where do I summarize, but one thing that again stood out even in this discussion with you is trust is at most important. Trust and value. What's your character, right? What's your character has to be the same in front of everyone. ऐसे नहीं है कि मैं इसके सामने अलग हूँ, उसके सामने अलग हूँ.
Correct.
And आजकल तो लोग पहचान जाते हैं.
Yes. If you want people to trust you,
you won't be able to stick around for a longer time.
Become trustworthy.
Yeah.
If you want to be trusted.
Become trustworthy. True. And I think the one big takeaway for me, right, is leader is responsible for the people that he has, not the other way around.
Correct.
Amazing discussion. Once again, I would really like to thank you, Amrut,
Thank you.
for not just coming over, but sharing your journey, sharing your learnings of thousands of books within few hours. I think just couple of minutes back, or I think 10 minutes back, you said we are discussing for half an hour. But you were wrong. We were discussing for more than 1.5 hours.
Oh my God.
And we didn't realize what we discussed, and the time just passed by.
Yeah. You should have asked one question, ki what is the disadvantage of reading too many books? That you talk a lot.
You have too many stories to talk, right? You don't talk, but you have too many stories to share,
100%.
right? And I think
फट वो connect हो जाता
कनेक्ट हो जाता है कि ये क्वेश्चन है, अरे यार ये स्टोरी यहाँ पे रिलेट हो रहा है.
है. NI, natural intelligence gets
नेचुरल इंटेलिजेंस. सो सी वन मोर, AI के ज़माने में NI कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है, नेचुरल इंटेलिजेंस. एंड उसके लिए हमें किसी भी टेक्नोलॉजी पे डिपेंड करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. वी ऑल हैव दी NI विद अस. अगर वो कहते हैं ना शशि थरूर की भाषा में, आई एम फ्लैबरगास्टेड, ऐसा कोई वर्ड है. सो दिस इज़ माई इंटरनल फीलिंग आज के लिए विद द डिस्कशन दैट वीव हैड. Once again, thank you so much, for coming over and sharing the insights and making everyone's life, I think whoever is going to listen to this podcast, making their lives better. And from the entire team, we wish you the best for the mission Make India Read. And for sure, if any help needed by any way, we can be of help. I'm sure financially, तो as you mentioned, right, कि you're good to go, right? There are people who are supporting the cause. But in any other way you think we can help, you just let us know, and you can even announce it for the readers as well,
Yeah.
the listeners.
Yeah, I think we touched upon it already. If you really want to get involved and you believe in Mission Make India Read, get in touch with me, bookletguy.com, bookletguy@gmail.com. You can also get involved in the work. There are some interesting projects coming up.
Yeah.
IBL, Indian Booklet League, is coming up. Yeah, very interesting project. I'm making a board game based on books. The claim is that if you play that game for 5 to 10 times, you will end up gaining knowledge of at least 20 books.
Wow.
The great books that I have picked up.
So where can we download or get these games? The Indian Booklet
It's a physical
League
game. It's still in process. It
Okay.
will be out in a month or so.
Super.
Yeah, and since I say that I'm a giver, I'm a social entrepreneur. और होता है ना कि मंदिर में आने के बाद पुजारी प्रसाद दिए बिना छोड़ता नहीं है.
Absolutely.
So I ought to give you something.
Thank
And what can you expect from Booklet Guy other than books? So how boring I am. So these are some interesting books which go exactly by the name of the show, the Branding Circle. One of my favorite books on branding, positioning, marketing.
Wow.
One is Linchpin.
Okay.
Are you indispensable? Okay, Seth Godin is the marketing guru. You must be
Absolutely.
knowing. So Linchpin, जिनको पता नहीं Linchpin का मतलब क्या है, तो जो बुलक कार्ड होता है ना, बैलगाड़ी, तो जो व्हील पे जो
बीच
बड़ा
में जो-
पिन रहता है
correct.
ना, हाँ, अगर निकालो तो
Which holds the cart and the wheel together.
it's indispensable. It is unavoidable. So how can you become a linchpin? How can you stand out of the crowd? इसी ने याद रहा दूसरी बुक लिखी है पर्पल का, तो उसी बेसिस पे है. एंड अदर दीज आर लाइक, दिस इज अ बाइबल ऑन मार्केटिंग. अगर ये आपने नहीं पढ़ी है तो क्या पढ़ा आपने मार्केटिंग? पोजिशनिंग, अल राइस एंड जैक ट्राउट, मैं बोलता हूँ, आर द फादर्स ऑफ मार्केटिंग.
Yeah.
पीटर टकर और वो सब तो है ही.
These are the known or celebrated fathers, but
yes.
not many must have heard about Al Rice. Yeah.
बहुत सारे लॉज मैंने सीक्रेटली बुकलेट में यूज किए हैं.
Okay.
And they are really worked for me. So this is my gift for you.
Super.
Happy reading.
Thank you so much for this wonderful gifts. I'm sure not as good as you, but we'll try and add some story on these books for sure.
Thank you so much. Happy
Thank you.
reading.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.